Hello, I'm Hazel Boland. I'm the Nurse Director here in Ayrshire and Arran. I'm delighted to let you know that preparations are well underway for Ayrshire and Arran to enable lifting of some of the visiting restrictions to our hospitals. This is in line with guidance from Scottish Government that was published on the 30th of June and will be a staged approach to restarting visiting as we continue to work hard to protect our patients, our staff and our visitors from coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. Please remember that visiting your loved one will be a very different experience than before the pandemic started. From Monday the 13th of July, the key changes are: every patient will be asked to identify one person who is COVID-19 symptom-free to be their designated visitor while they're in hospital. This person will be asked to provide their contact details to the ward so that we can contact you if required under the Test and Protect contact tracing system. If you are unwell or experiencing COVID-19 symptoms or have been in contact with someone who has COVID-19 symptoms, you should follow the government advice and self-isolate. Please do not come to any of our hospitals. An appointment system will be in place to make sure that we can accommodate a set number of visitors within the clinical areas and still observe social distancing rules. Please note that this means you cannot just turn up at one of our hospitals without one of these visiting appointments, as you will not be allowed to visit. This is to protect your loved ones, our staff and all our families. Visitors will be asked to wear appropriate PPE, for example a face covering, when entering clinical areas, and also be expected to observe hand hygiene before and after your visit, and social distancing rules. Staff will be on hand to support you with this. The essential visiting, which has been in place throughout the pandemic, will still be in place in some key areas. During this time, we are unable to offer visitors access to our dining rooms, as it is important that visitors are in our hospitals for as short a time as possible and only to visit their loved ones. We know that things will continue to be quite a bit different for our patients and their visitors during this time, and we thank everyone for their patience and cooperation with following the guidance and keeping everyone as safe as possible. Thank you.